Hey guys, today we are going to be making these purple sweet potato blondies. They are super fudgy and chewy, and they have a beautiful purple color from the purple sweet potatoes. Also, they are vegan and gluten-free, and they are packed with protein from a secret ingredient. Please like and subscribe and follow me on my social media. So first, preheat the oven and line your 9x5 baking pan with parchment paper. So in a food processor, add baked sweet potato and just blend that up until it is crushed up and nice and fine. Next, add in nut butter of choice and then some cooked white beans. I'm using soybeans, but you could also use chickpeas. Add in oat flour and then some baking soda for some lift. Next, add in vanilla extract because all baked goods need it. Then all you have to do is blend everything together until it forms a smooth dough. And I forgot to add the salt, so I'm just going to add it now. And then continue blending until it is completely smooth. Pour all of the dough into your prepared pan and then smooth it out with your spoon. Bake it until it is cooked through. Do not overbake or it will become dry and crumbly. No one wants a dry blondie. Cool completely before slicing into bars and enjoying. These are actually so delicious. They have the best fudgy texture from the beans, I swear. You cannot taste the beans, they're just there to give that fudgy, moist texture. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.